Open the PowerPoint. You want to add your logo to personalize it. Click View in the top menu bar and then click Slide Master. Starting with Slide 1, click Insert in the top menu bar and then Pictures to find your saved logo. Select your file or logo you would like to use. Size and position your logo as shown on screen. Once you are happy with the position, click Slide Master, then close. Clicking the Home button on the top menu bar will bring you back to a familiar menu to continue to make the PowerPoint personal to you. Remember to save your changes. And that's it. You've successfully added a logo to your presentation. Thank you for watching.